So they said they were looking for drunks. Yes, sir. What does that mean? Yes, sir.
He wants to show you a tire out here, man. It's slick.
I'd prefer to not get out of my vehicle.
I think he needs one, dude. Think about your boy too. He wants to show you, dude, where it's slick out here. It's for your safety. That way you can see about getting you another tire. That's it.
Let me ask you something. Are you scared?
To get out of my vehicle? Yes, sir.
You are?
Yes, sir.
Why are you scared of the law?
I'm not scared of the law.
Why you hide?
An aggressive DUI checkpoint quickly turned hostile in Woodstock, Georgia, when state troopers targeted a driver for keeping his window cracked. A trooper immediately tried to open the driver's door before demanding his license or establishing any suspicion of a crime. Under standard legal protections, an officer cannot physically breach a citizen's vehicle or demand they exit during a routine traffic stop without an articulable threat to officer safety or probable cause. The hostile troopers then ordered the driver into a secondary screening area solely because he refused to completely roll down his window.
Howdy.
How's it going?
Going good. About yourself?
Oh, you went down there, bud.
I'm comfortable right there.
Do what?
I'm comfortable with it right there.
You comfortable with it right there?
Yes, sir.
Let me see your driver's license.
Open the door, dude.
If you want these back, you can roll that window down for me.
What'd you say, sir? Sorry. What did you say?
Because he can't hardly hear you. That's why. If you roll the window down, we're just out looking for drunks, man. We're not here to hurt you or whatever.
That's fine.
Okay. Pull over on that side there just a minute.
Right over here. I'm going to check your vehicle, make sure.
For what reason do you have to detain me to pull me over into secondary, sir?
Pull over on the side so we can do it.
The tense situation exposed a complete misuse of regulatory authority when officers fabricated a vehicle inspection to justify the detention. The aggressive troopers claimed the motorist possessed an almost illegal front right tire and demanded he exit his vehicle. These fluid justifications violate basic administrative rules, which dictate that traffic checkpoints must adhere strictly to predefined, neutral guidelines and cannot be used as a pretext for arbitrary, targeted vehicle inspections. The stubborn officers openly mocked the citizen, unprofessionally asking if he was scared of the law or scared of the dark when he chose to remain inside.
Vehicle inspection right over
For
there.
what reason? Have you suspected me of committing a crime?
Do what, buddy?
Have you suspected me of committing a crime?
Well, is there anything wrong with the car that we need to know about?
Not that I know of, sir.
Oh, okay, all right.
Pull over here. I'm going to check your tires. Everything. You look real close for me.
They're looking what?
Almost illegal. They're almost too slick.
Almost illegal. All right. Where would you like me to pull?
Do what?
Where would you like me to pull over?
Over behind that car.
Behind that one?
Real close, man.
So I'm being pulled into secondary because my tires might be illegal. That's interesting.
Everything correct on your license? You still live at the same address?
I do, sir.
All right, sit tight for me, okay?
Put in my car and park. This is Georgia State Patrol. For the record, they tried to open my door just because I wouldn't roll my window down all the way before asking for my license or anything. They're looking at my front right tire, apparently. So they said they were looking for drunks. Yes, sir. What does that mean? Yes, sir.
He wants to show you a tire out here, man. It's slick.
I'd prefer to not get out of my vehicle.
I think you need one, dude. Think about your boy too.
He wants to show you, dude, where it's slick out here. It's for your safety. That way you can see about getting you another tire. That's it.
Let me ask you something. Are you scared?
To get out of my vehicle? Yes, sir.
You are?
Yes, sir.
Why are you scared of the law?
I'm not scared of the law.
Where are you hiding from?
I'm not hiding from anything, sir.
Okay, well, why are you scared to get out?
Because I feel safer.
You scared of the dark?
Maybe.
Huh?
I might be.
I believe you are. Grown man scared of the dark. That sounds kind of funny to me.
Sounds funny.
The hostile roadside standoff shifted into a coercive compliance check when the troopers forced the driver to operate his vehicle's equipment. They commanded him to activate his right blinker, left blinker, brake lights, and reverse lights under the guise of an official safety check. This aggressive tactic constitutes an abuse of police power, as field personnel are prohibited from expanding the scope of a checkpoint stop into a retaliatory inspection simply because a citizen exercises their right to limited contact. The troopers continuously shined high-powered flashlights directly into the driver's recording camera to blind his view and disrupt the documentation of the encounter.
How about hit your blinkers for me? Turn your right blinker on.
Turn your right blinker on.
I have no need to turn my blinkers on right now. I have no need to turn my blinkers on right now.
He's doing a vehicle inspection. He wants to check your vehicle. Turn your right blinker on. Thank you. Now turn your left blinker on. Hit your brakes. Tap your brakes. Put your car in reverse to make sure your backup lights are working. Alright, put it back parked. He'll come around to the front. Check the front blinkers now.
Alright, hit your left. Hit your right light. Sit tight for me.
Yes, sir. Note they're shining the light in the camera. Funny. Very entertaining. Very sad. I'm surprised my heart's not racing as much as I thought it would. I guess I've watched too many videos. I know what to expect. The first thing they said is they were looking for drunks. Still haven't been asked if I'd been drinking or not yet. Funny. Suddenly it doesn't seem to be that's what they're looking for.
If I see this vehicle out on the road again,
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna stop you just because that tire on the right front.
Tire on the right front?
It's very close.
In what way? So I can change it?
Needs a tire replaced.
Tire replaced?
Yeah, you don't
Tread's
know
too
Trooper
thin?
Mike Freeman, do you?
Who?
Trooper Mike Freeman.
Not that I know of.
You don't know him? Remember him riding you for 84 and a 65
Yes, sir.
on 575? See why he's scared to get out now. Get that
No,
tire
he was
fixed
very
for me.
professional. I actually had a good encounter. Alright, so I guess I'm free to go. I should have asked for name and badge number, but they did the hand the license as he walked away kind of thing, so I was not able to do so.
Before allowing the driver to leave, the troopers attempted one final psychological tactic by bringing up his past driving record. A trooper referenced a prior speeding citation from a different officer, explicitly asking if that past ticket was the real reason the driver was scared to get out. Established legal precedents reinforce a citizen's right to neutral treatment, declaring that an individual's past regulatory infractions cannot be weaponized by law enforcement to bypass current constitutional boundaries or justify hostile behavior. The defeated troopers abruptly handed back the driver's license while walking away, preventing him from gathering their names and badge numbers as he left the scene. Like and subscribe for more.